And Hugh Wildman, the attorney representing CMU President Professor Fritz Pinnock, says he supports the move for the corruption case to be moved out of the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP. Head of the Financial Investigation Division, Robin Sykes, says he will seek to have discussions with the DPP to get a fiat so that private lawyers would prosecute the case. Mr. Wildman says doing so could speed up the process.
Because normally the person, the clerk of course, the clerk of course may not be a person who is really experienced in these matters. And the DPP's office may not be also equipped because of personnel shortage and all that. So it is a good position, and they have a fiat given to somebody who they think can motivate the prosecution.
Mr. Wildman says he is not concerned that information in the public domain pertaining to the corruption case involving the Ministry of Education and CMU will negatively affect the outcome of the matter. He explained that if the matter goes to trial, it will be heard by a judge and not a jury.
The thing about it is that it is not a jury trial. So, yes, it is not good to be discussing the case in public, but the good thing about it is that it's a trial by judge alone. So a lot of those concerns can be dealt with because of the fact that you don't have a jury that can be contaminated one way or the other.
He says only admissible evidence will be considered in the matter.